Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a QR code for your listing. In this case, I'm using the example of MarcoAreaExperts.com. What we're going to do is I'm going to the website and I'm going to the featured properties page of this site so I can view the listings that are the property of this agent. QR codes are best used on print advertising, just so you know, when you maybe make a just listed postcard or maybe you have a listing flyer that you want to use them on. This is what you would use them for. So you're going to go to the website, you're going to go to your featured listings, your Our Homes page, your exclusive listings, whatever it is, and you're going to go in and you're going to click on the listing that you want to create a QR code for. So in this case, they are using IDX Broker. I'm going to click on View Details, and when I do, it's going to open up the details page for this listing and show me all the additional pictures, information, address, everything on this listing. So I'm going to go up to the top, and you'll notice that the URL for this listing is listings.marcoareaexperts.com, and it has the actual details with the listing ID. So I know this is the exact URL for this specific listing. So I'm going to go ahead and right click and hit copy, and then I'm going to go to Google, and I'm going to type in Google QR code. Once you type in QR code and it pulls up the results, the second one, or usually the first or the second one down, is going to be qrcode.kiowa.com, and you're going to click on that. It's going to open up Kiowa, which is one of the QR code sites that I use. And when you go here, it's very simple to use. You're simply going to choose the type of QR code that you want to make. In this case, it's a URL. I'm going to delete the HTTP, and I'm going to paste in my full URL to that exact listing. I'm going to choose extra large size because I want the best quality image that I can, and I'm going to choose generate. Once I've clicked on generate, it's going to give me the exact code for that listing. If you were to take your smartphone right now and scan this code, it would bring you directly to that listing ID. I'm going to right click on this listing or this QR code and choose Save Picture As, and I'm going to name it the image, the address, 1549 Heights Court, and I'm going to save it. In this case, I've already created this, but for your example, you just save it, and then you have your image. And then it's as easy as inserting that image into whatever project you're making. If you have a print company that you have printing out flyers or doing something, maybe printing out postcards, you're going to give them this image, and you're going to tell them you want to put this image into the postcard or whatever it is, and it has to be at least maybe a 1 inch by 1 inch or an 1.5 inches by an 1.5 inches, and put some words above it. Scan this code with your smartphone to view more details and pictures or photos of this listing. And there you have it. That is how to make a QR code for a listing.